Some customers are now operating in the dark.
When they're planning their maintenance over the course of a year, for example, they're planning the maintenance based on what they think is going to go through the network, the number of trains, what types of trains, so forth. But what actually happens is that problems arise. Degradation occurs, that alters the schedule, that alters the plan.
People are effectively working on data that's 40% inaccurate. So this is a huge differential between what's actually happening and what they think is happening.
Connox Network improves railway capacity and reliability by getting ahead of infrastructure problems before they occur. It uses AI and large-scale data integration to bridge the gap between maintenance and operations.
What we're able to provide is the actual traffic, the actual network load through the network.
The level of detail that we provide is interesting to the customer, and that they can really zoom in to each of the track sections and understand whether this section is over-inspected or under-inspected.
Longer term, we're looking at the degradation modelling and the ability to predict from track geometry data all the inputs that we're collecting into the system, so weather data and the movement of the trains, the speed of the trains, the type of the trains, the response that they have on the infrastructure. Bringing all that together to understand how the wear and tear on the network is really happening, because at the moment we have proxies for that, and so the real power is in generating the prediction and telling people, right, okay, don't be reactive anymore, you can get ahead of this, and that will just mean that we can run more trains and we can do better maintenance. And equally, being able to alert people to where problems are will make a safer railway.